Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying another online marketing tool and don't want to waste your money on hype, empty promises, or recycled software, watch this first. In this review video, I'm breaking down the product and showing you exactly what's inside the dashboard. No fluff, no theory, just a real demo so you can see what this software actually does and whether it deserves your attention. A lot of tools sound good on the sales page, but once you log in, it's a different story. My job here is to cut through the marketing, expose what works, what doesn't, and who this product is really for. Before we dive in, check the link in the description right now. That link takes you to my full written review, where I break down real pricing and all the upgrades, any active discounts you won't see later, and a set of exclusive bonuses I've added to help you generate traffic, automate your workflow, and actually make money online. Now, let's stop talking and get straight into the demo so you can see the product in action.
This is one of the key features you can use in XsoraAI. It helps you create viral videos easily. Before we start, let me show you a channel concept you can build using XsoraAI. This is an AI-powered channel. With only 9 uploaded videos, it has gained nearly 100,000 subscribers. On average, these videos were uploaded just 2 months ago. If we look at one video, it reached over 500,000 views in just 1 month. This video was made with AI, something you can easily recreate using XsoraAI without needing multiple tools. So let's create a video like this right now in XsoraAI. Select the instant video feature, name your project here, and click next. Now choose the video type. As you can see, there are many options. For this demo, we'll select cinematic and click next. Then choose the video style. We'll stick with cinematic here as well. Click next. Now choose your format: horizontal for YouTube, vertical for Shorts and TikTok, or square for Instagram. I'll select horizontal for YouTube. Click next. Here, we build the scenes. First, set the duration. For this example, let's choose 10 seconds or 2 scenes. Next, we create the content. You don't need to do this manually. With XsoraAI, simply click Generate Scene to automate the process. In seconds, your professional scenes are ready. Now click Generate Video and wait for the AI to analyze the description and create your visuals. Repeat this until all scenes have their videos. Click Next. Here we configure the voiceover, auto captions, and background music. You can toggle the voiceover on or off. To create the script, simply click AI Generate. The script is created based on your topic and perfectly synced with your scenes. You can also edit the script if you wish. Below, select the voice gender. You can also make your video in various languages. The AI handles the translation automatically, so no manual work is required. You can click preview to hear the voice before confirming.
I just love talking about movies, TV shows, really anything that's in the arts. So use my voice for those kind of projects.
Scroll down to background music. The AI generates this automatically, so you don't need to worry about copyright claims on YouTube. You can also adjust the volume. Before generating, you can enable auto caption. This smart feature automatically adds subtitles. Select the size, font, and color. For this demo, I will disable captions and background music. Scroll down and click Generate, then click Generate Video. Wait a moment for the AI to process. Once done, you have a professional video.
Sunrise over dreams. Coco's vibrant dance with dawn. Nature's masterpiece awakens. Inside, magic unfolds. Liquid silk on a journey.
Once finished, your video is ready to download. Amazing, right? Not only that, XsoraAI lets you post and schedule content directly to your favorite social media from the dashboard. Let's try scheduling a post. Click the Schedule menu. Before posting, you need to configure the API settings. Please check our provided tutorial for that. It's quick and simple. Let's try scheduling. Once your API key is connected, click Connect Account. Select the platform, for example, YouTube. Connect your channel, then return to XsoraAI. Close the window and click New Post. select the project you want to upload. Click the connected platform. A settings window will appear for the title, description, and more. Fill it out, select the schedule date, and click Schedule Post. Done. You can now see your scheduled video on the calendar. See, it's very easy. Ready to dominate the algorithm? Get XsoraAI today. Save hundreds of hours, create viral content in minutes, and grow your empire on autopilot.